motor 2024, as you can see right there, and it's a 1.5 ton. It's just on on, so I can't see what. Time to go start the thermostat. Well, the battery's going out, so it went to the battery sign, but yeah, he's only up 72 for me, so I'll go back down there on the one for a couple minutes, then turn it off. Oh, he just turned it back off. I'm on there to one for a couple minutes just so it didn't short cycle, but he always turned it off. So the upstairs, you got like a 5-minute cycle. While this one, it's just an on and off thing. But yeah, there was a start and shutdown of the upstairs weatherking. Bye guys.